And my intention today is to help you to understand these unseen spiritual concepts and explain esoteric symbolism in movies, film, and TV to show you why we need to exit this ego-mind matrix in order to become free and evolve to ascend. Today you will learn about the art of dreaming and the second attention, a new way of seeing and experiencing the true reality and not the illusion of this false ego-mind reality. In the teachings of spiritual knowledge is the study of the unseen that we experience every day but rarely take time to contemplate. And the only way to know who you really are is by looking at the unseen. What we really are, we cannot see. Can you show me a thought, a mood, a personality? In our brain, consciousness and energy create pictures, which are also called thoughts. These chemicals, which we hear in our brain, are called thought forms. And a sequence of these pictures and thoughts is called inspiration, because your thoughts, your moods, your personality are the cause of your reality, which is the movie that you are experiencing. Now, how could we say that is possible, and what can we identify to explain the phenomenon of our personal reality and movie? I'll explain it to you because it's just like watching a movie. Have you ever asked yourself, what is the nature and purpose of thought? Why do we have them, and what is the purpose of thought in relation to the nature of reality? The answer is very similar to the same question asked before. Why do we love to watch movies? To become emotionally moved, intellectually stimulated, and above all, to be entertained. So these pictures in your head, these thoughts, could they be there to entertain a part of us that is unseen? Just like a movie, could they be in our brain to present to an observer, a beholder, a Holy Spirit to look at, a subtle, powerful, and invisible energy that we all know is there, an innate being that truly cares about us, no matter what we present to it? Could the divine director be sitting and watching the pictures that we presented that then create and manifest our own personal reality in movie? And the answer for this is for you to make known. So now I'd like to show you a guided meditation so you can experience this observer, this Holy Spirit. So now we will begin this observer meditation. Make yourself comfortable, and once you are comfortable, ease into your awareness by taking deep breaths in and out, and just become aware of your awareness. This meditation is initiation into the true mystery school, your true self. So take another deep breath in and out. Now shift your awareness to the space behind your eyes. See yourself and your awareness slowly moving to the space right behind your eyes. Now just become aware of the back of your eyes. Who is this observing the back of my eyes? It can't be your eyes because your eyes are closed. So who is this observing the back of my eyes? This is the real you. You are this awareness, this energy, and this life within you. So become aware of this observer, observing the back of your eyes. And take another deep breath in and out. And now in your mind's eye, imagine the three-dimensional word, love. See the word love in 3 dimensions. And now observe that you can observe it. You can look above it, underneath it, to the side, through it, and around it. In your mind's eye, you are able to observe a 3-dimensional word. And now ask yourself, who is observing this word? And now you are observing the observer, your Holy Spirit, this divine director. This is the real you. So become aware of this observer. And take a deep breath in and out. Like the electricity in a computer, you are this energy and this power that runs it, directs it, and produces it. It is all on the inside. This observer. So now come back to your environment by taking another deep breath in and out. And remember who you really are. And slowly count down from 10 to 1 and come back into your environment and hold the state of awareness into physical reality. And thank you for listening to this guided meditation.